Hello everyone, welcome to our 40-day so fast. We are journey to authentic living using the resource from Dr. Cindy Flynn, the 40-day so fast. And like I said, this is day 12. I encourage you to get your 40-day so fast journal. I also urge you to get the book so that you can follow through with the journal prompts, and you're able to document the answers that are coming through from the questions being asked. Please like my video, share and subscribe, call your friends. We are only 40 days so fast to authentic living. And so today is day 12. The topic is restoring. So there's a quote here from Mahatma Gandhi. It says, if only Christians will live according to their belief in the teaching of Jesus, we will become Christians. That's from Mahatma Gandhi. I believe it has to do with the incongruence of what we profess to believe with what they are actually convinced of. So it's a call to be restored to our original state. The key to restoring your soul is bringing that congruence to every dimension of your life, where there is a breakdown between what you believe and how you behave, the word in your heart versus the words that come out of your mouth. Is the kingdom within you divided? So we don't have a situation where there are two faces in two cases. There's congruence. The kingdom within is not in conflict with the kingdom without. Now I told here that the pain inflicted by others must get metabolized, or things like envy, bitterness, and unforgiveness will penetrate and poison your soul, leading to disease. These toxins will break down the integrity of your soul, leading to disorder and confusion. So we are meant to be restored back to our original state. And what's that? It's the way God intended it from the beginning. In redeeming you, God is restoring your bent toward the outwardness of your authentic self. In redeeming you, God is restoring your bent toward the outwardness of your authentic self. Your spirit again becomes a place where living water flows freely. And a characteristic for today is simplicity. It says the 40 days of Lent, as with any fast, are a period of time set aside for keeping the main thing the main thing. And it says that we're focusing on what is important in our lives as children of God. And the scripture referenced here is Galatians chapter 5, verse 6. So he says, I leave you today with these instructions from Jesus as recorded in Matthew chapter 6, verse 6. Here's what I want you to do. Find a quiet, secluded place so you won't be tempted to role play before God. Just be there as simply and honestly as you can manage. The focus will shift from you to God, and you begin to sense His grace. True religion is real living with all one's soul, with all one's goodness and righteousness. And that's from Albert Einstein. And so there is no more nourishing and detoxifying soul food than love, as makes it Ecclesiastes chapter 6, verse 7. So I hope you create time to really focus on today's task, restoring and trying to simplify those things that have marked your soul, just so that we are able to identify and rid ourselves of all those weight, excess weight that would not take us far. Okay, all right, that's it for day 12. If you have not watched the previous episodes recorded, please visit my handle Elizabeth Omomare, like the video and share. Let's get more people on the authentic way. All right, thank you. Bye.